Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Is Ada. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be making air freshener, liquid air freshener. Okay, it's a simple procedure. Like, you need few ingredients to come up with um this air freshener. Okay, so you can use this air freshener, you can as well, sell it. Okay, and we're going to be making 2 liters of air freshener, 2 liters of liquid air freshener. I'll be introducing my raw materials. So the first thing I have here is methanol. So this methanol serves as a dissolver. So without methanol, we cannot dissolve this particular ingredients. Okay, we are going to come to this ingredient later. I'm going to tell you what this does. The second raw material we have here is fragrance, aka perfume. I'm using ambipore, lavender, and lemon fragrance to give me a unique kind of smell. So you can choose yours. It depends on what you want. Just come up with a unique smell that you love. Okay, so this is the names of the perfume I went for: lavender, ambipore, and lemon fragrance. The next here is retainer. Okay, the retainer, as the name goes, it helps to retain the smell of our air freshener. Okay, so if this air freshener stays longer, like maybe months upon months, this will help retain the smell and the fragrance of our air freshener. Next is texapoon. Okay, this is how it looks like. Texapoon, this helps as a stabilizer. It helps to stabilize this mixture. It brings the mixture together without separating. This is what texapoon does to air freshener. Then next is our colorant. Okay, this is pink. It's water soluble. We're going to dissolve this in water. We're going to take very little, okay, and dissolve in water. And like I said I was going to come back to this. This is called menthol. Okay, so this helps to spread the air freshener. When you spray the air freshener, this is what makes it spread. This is how it looks like. So these are the raw materials you'll be using. Okay, this is how they look like. When you get to the chemical shop, make sure they label the raw materials like this. Okay, as you guys can see, there are some raw materials they used masking tape, write the chemicals on them and labeled it. Make sure, especially if you're starting, like you're not familiar with all these chemicals yet, make sure you remind them to label it, though they do it in case they forget, so that you remind them. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to dissolve this menthol in the methanol. Okay, please, you have to be mindful of these chemicals. Make sure you have a secluded place where you make these things. For those that have kids, please, as you guys can see, this looks like water, so be very careful not to keep this anyhow. So we're going to put this in here. And we're going to gently shake to dissolve this. Gently shake to dissolve it. Make sure it dissolves completely. Okay, as you guys can see, I think it's completely dissolved. So the next thing we are going to do is to put the texapoon in the perfume or fragrance. Okay, this is the texapoon. This is how it looks like. Can put that in here. Then next, you pour in the retainer in the perfume. And just shake. Okay, as you guys can see, the texapoon has also dissolved completely. So here we have our bowl. We are going to pour in the perfume mixture into the bowl. Then next, the methanol mixture. With your turning stick, you mix. Guys, the smell is spreading already. So mix very well, very well, very well. So this is well mixed. I'm making 2 liters of liquid air freshener, okay? This is 1 liter of water. Add it to it. 2 liters of water. So it has turned white immediately. So this is our air freshener. As you guys can see, well mixed and blended. There is no separation of any sort. Make sure you mix very well. Very, 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 very well. So guys, you can just choose your fragrance, but this is wow. The mixture of ambipor, lemon and lavender fragrances are wow. It smells good. We're going to dissolve the colorant or color in water. So guys, this is the quantity of colorant I'm using. I'm putting it into the bottle. Then I'm adding little water to the bottle. So this is the dissolved color. So let's pour it and see how the color looks like. And see whether we are going to add more or not. Guys, do you like this color? Or should we add more? This is light pink. I think I'm loving this color. Let's go with this color, guys. Everywhere it's scenting, scenting, scenting. Scenting, scenting. So guys, you can just come up with this in your house. You can use this in your toilet. You can use it, you know, just in the house, basically, to make everywhere scent good, smell good and fine. So if you want it deep pink, add more. Add more. Add more. So guys, as you guys can see, it's a simple, easy procedure. You don't need to spend a lot to come up with this in your house, okay? So for the raw materials and the measurement, check the description box below. Let's put this in the container. So I bought these containers in the chemical stores, and the ingredients for this, you're going to get them in the chemical store also, okay? Chemical shops. You can ask of any chemical shop in your location, okay? Basically, most states in Nigeria have a big market where they sell or where they have chemical shops, okay? So just ask questions and, you know, locate anyone in your state. Guys, I love this color so much. So let's put them in this bottle. Guys, our air freshener is ready. As you guys can see, we made 2 liters of air freshener, okay? So if you want to double the measurement, you multiply it by 2. Retainer can make this last as long as possible, okay? You can just come up with this in few minutes in your house and you have your air freshener, your original air freshener. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye.